Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Got a beautiful John Deere 260E articulated truck here on the Ray line. If you need something like this, give me a call at 817-733-3799. What a beautiful articulated truck. This unit does not have a tailgate, as you can see. Great tire tread. Ready to go to work. Again, give us a call at 817-733-3799.